Can we turn data into action with Copilot in D365 Finance and Supply Chain Management? Let's check on it. When we ask Copilot in D365 Finance and Supply Chain Management, show me all inventory batches that have on hand that will expire in the next 30 days, it provides me a really good guidance, step-by-step instruction. Access the on-hand list page, apply filter, and so on. But it does not provide me any data information. In fact, Copilot has no access to the ERP data. Now imagine if we could provide data to Copilot. What will be the kind of answer we get? I checked on this because we extend Copilot in order to be able to provide that kind of information. When you have data and you ask the same kind of question based on expiration date, I would like to know the batches that will expire in the next 30 days that still has on end quantity. Show me in this order, blah, blah, blah. You get data. You get item number, batch number, expiration date, on end quantity. You could even ask more questions. If you ask Copilot, I want to have more information about the second batch in the list, right? Which is this one here. Then it will provide you more information, detailed information about it. Batch number, the company, the expiration date, date to expiration, right? And is it expired? No. Best before date, and so on. So this is really adding a lot of insight from your data. And if we want really to turn data into action, we need to add some automation to that process. Now, in Copilot, if you ask a question such as, can I do a transaction with that batch? Then it answer you. What would you like to do with that batch? And you have a list of options. Conduct testing on the batch in order to be able to extend the expiration date. Do you want to create a production order in order to consume it? Maybe you want to remove it from inventory. So this could be configured as you need per your process. In this case here, I decided to conduct testing on the batch in order to extend the expiration date. It went through the process, and at the end, it tells me the quality order is now created. I will refresh my screen here, navigate to the bottom, and voila, my quality order is created. I succeed to turn my data into action with Copilot in D365 Finance and Supply Chain Management.